It's 38 degrees. The car is completely stone cold. I haven't started it since yesterday afternoon. I will cycle the glow plugs once, and then I will try to start the car and film, and hopefully you guys can hear the misfire, and I will also show the smoke that it produces while it misfires. It's only been misfiring like this for the past week and a half or so, and it only does it when it's dead cold. The car does not consume any coolant, so it's not a head gasket issue, but whatever the hell it is, it sounds really bad. Turnkey start. Not really misfiring as bad as it usually does. For some reason it decided to behave a little bit better today. Oh, there it was. Oh. Yep. Keeps misfiring. Every time you see that little extra puff, that's a misfire. Sometimes it misfires. Sometimes it starts okay and then misfires, and sometimes it just misfires from the second you turn the key. And as you can see, the smoke has pretty much cleared up very quickly, within less than 60 seconds. And the car is not misfiring anymore.